Hello, third graders. Welcome back to our music class. Today we're going to focus on tempos as our focus of the lesson. Tempos are the speed of music. Music that could go fast, slow, medium tempos, or accelerate or slow down. All right, in order to do that, we have to learn a song. So first, let's learn our song. It goes like this. All right, here we go. So I'll say the line first, and then you just copy me afterwards, okay? Here we go. My turn. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Your turn. My turn. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. Your turn. My turn. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Your turn. And then my turn. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Your turn. Very good. Okay, now let's do 2 lines at a time now, all right? Here it goes. My turn first. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. Your turn. My turn. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Your turn. Fantastic. Okay, let's do it all together now. Let's go kind of slow so we remember all our words. Here we go. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Good job. All right, let's go on. All right, so what are some kinds of vegetables you can think of that we can add to this soup? I like that idea. That's a good idea too. Oh, I think I heard somebody say carrots. Ooh, carrots are good one. Okay, let's try and cut up the carrots, all right? Let's put our cutting board out and our chopping utensil, and then we're going to go. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Fantastic. What's another vegetable we can add to our soup? Yeah, there we go. How about tomatoes? I like tomatoes too. Let's try tomatoes. All right, let's put our tomatoes on our cutting board, and then we're going to chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Fantastic. All right, one more vegetable, please. Oh yeah, okay, great. Let's try that one. I like broccoli too. Broccoli's so good. Okay, let's take our broccoli. We'll put it on our chopping tray, and we'll take our chopping tool, and we'll go chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Fantastic. All right, now let's look at how we have different tempos. Okay, so first we're gonna make this soup very slow. We're gonna make this soup with a adagio tempo. Can you say adagio? Great. Now, so adagio means slow. So we're gonna do this song very slow, okay? Like we have all the time in the world to take all day if we want. The party's not till later. We don't have to do it in any hurry. Let's go slowly. Here we go. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Fantastic adagio. Okay, so now if we wanted to go fast, really fast, as if we only had 5 minutes to prepare this soup before the party shows up, we have to do it in presto tempo. Can you say presto? Fantastic. Okay, so we're going to do this with a presto tempo. It's going to go fast, so try to stay with me. Here we go. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Wow, that was so fast, right? Good job. Okay, now, what if we just want to go a medium, like middle kind of speed? That would be called moderato. Can you say moderato? Fantastic. Okay, so we're going to do this back to our normal medium speed, as if we're not in a hurry, we're not taking our time, we're just doing it like normal. Here we go. Do it with me, please. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Fantastic. Really good job. And don't forget, adagio, slow. Presto, fast. Moderato, medium, middle, normal. All right, thank you. All right, so remember, when we were going fast, we were going at the presto speed. And when we were going slow, we were going at the adagio speed. And then when we were being a moderate speed, a medium kind of speed, we were doing the moderato. Okay? Now what do we call it? What do you think we might call it if we have to speed up? No, not quite. Actually, it's called accelerando. Can you say accelerando? Oh, great. So now let's do the chop, chop, chippity chop song, but with an accelerando. We're going to go faster as we go. Okay, let's try it. Here we go. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What we have left, we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Great. Did you feel how we got faster there? That's accelerando. Okay, now we know what it's like to go fast, go slow, go medium speed, and also to speed up. But now, what is it called when we slow down? No, it's actually called a retardando. Can you say retardando? Perfect. Okay, we are going to sing this song with a retardando. We're going to be going slower as we go. All right, so we're going to start about medium speed, and then we'll slow down. Here we go. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What we have left we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Fantastic. And we just made some good music there. All right, now we know what presto means, and adagio, and accelerando, and moderato, and retardando, and we learned our little chip chop chippity chop song. So make sure you take the exit ticket before you log out, so you can show it to your teacher. All right, thank you, and see you next time.